Hi, my peeps. Good morning. Wagwan. Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. So, guys, I'm gonna make some breakfast for my family. And I don't have a big family, just four of us, sometimes three. Okay. So, we're gonna make some pancakes, sausage, eggs, and I have some fruits. And maybe we drink some apple juice or some orange juice. Okay. Just something simple. Or I'm gonna drink some tea. I'm gonna make some Milo tea for my son. My son loves Milo tea. My daughter loves hot chocolate. So first we're gonna make the pancakes. I don't measure, guys, okay? So I'm gonna pour a little bit in here. I'm gonna make quite a few. All right, a little bit more. Now we're gonna put some butter in the pan. I'm gonna pour 3. I just usually pour it in like this, guys, okay? I start to turn that one. That one turned a little bit too early. That's how they're supposed to be, with a little bit of golden brown on the bottom. So I'm going to show you what I like to do, guys. Just flip it back over for about 30 seconds. Something like so. Okay, that's it. Let's take these out. Okay, they're like that. And I'm just going to repeat the process. A little butter. So I have a little bit of butter, right? And oopsie. I'm just going to put the butter here a little bit. Don't break. Just like that. There goes a little bit of butter. Just rub the bottom. And then I'm gonna put it there. So these ones came out better. This is how I like my pancakes, in between. All right, and as I said before, I like to flip them over again to get this side a little bit crunchy, and then that's it. Okay. I'm just gonna break some eggs. I'll do 5. I'm gonna take the whites out, guys, because I can't do that. I like to just cut the sausage down the middle, and then after I will cut them up after they're fried. Okay. And I'm gonna put like a tablespoon of milk in this one. Guys, my daughter doesn't eat all what I'm gonna put in this one, so I'm gonna pour some here. All right, let's take these out and put them over here, guys, and I'm gonna cut them up after. I'm gonna fry for my daughters first. All right, and that's for my daughter. I'm just gonna set it over there. I'm gonna cut up a little bit of onions in there. All right, a little bit of sweet pepper. A little bit of scallion, not much. A little piece of tomato. Omelette, guys, just an easy omelette for them. My daughter won't eat all of this in it, so. And that's it. A little bit of salt and black pepper on this one. A little bit of parsley. Pour it in here. You can mix it in with it, guys, all right? And now I'm just going to sprinkle this on top. But you can mix it in it, okay, guys? Up to you. Look how gorgeous this is, guys. I wish I could flip it, but me I'm flipping not so good, so just gonna try it this way, okay? This is the way we are, guys. So that's what I get from it. That's not too bad. What I'm gonna do, guys, I have some cheese. I think I'm gonna put it like this, guys. I'm gonna just take it from right here and bend it over like that. Okay. I'm back and we're gonna share my daughter first. So she likes lots of pancakes. I'm giving her 2. She likes it like that, okay, guys? And I'm just using my hand here, guys. I'm gonna put her eggs there, and she's gonna get some sausage, okay? She doesn't like too much stuff on hers, okay? Just the syrup, nothing else. And she likes her syrup over her eggs, so I'm gonna pour it like this. Sunny, you can come. That's how she likes it, guys. Okay. And that's hers. That's her breakfast. And she's gonna have maybe some apple juice. I'm gonna cut it like this. I'm not into too much eggs, guys, so I'm gonna take a little piece, right? All right. Woo! Look at that goodness, guys. So one for my son. Look at that. And one for my husband. That little piece for me. All right, and I'm gonna give my husband. And that's for my son, guys. That's it. And this is for my husband. I'm gonna pop on a little bit of pancake syrup on it. That's the goodness there, guys. Yeah, and that's it. Look at the goodness. My son doesn't like fruits on it. I might put a little bit on it, but I don't know if he's gonna eat it, so I better to ask him first. But my husband will eat all of this. And that's what they're gonna have, and my daughter is gonna eat hers. And guys, don't watch what I'm gonna eat. Maybe I eat out of the pot. All right, guys, that's it. You have a good day. Bye, guys. That's my breakfast for my family. Canadian style, guys. So Jamaican girl cooking Canadian breakfast for my family. Okay. Bye, guys.